Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Tradingview with Pepperstone. And it's quite simple, and I will show you today as quick as possible the things that you need to do. So the first step is go to Tradingview, open the supercharge right here, and then we click on trade, and then we search right here for Pepperstone. You can just click here on the search bar. Then we click on Pepperstone, and now we go to connect, and then he will send us to the Pepperstone secure client. And then you need to log in with your account, because otherwise it's not possible. I already created an account on Pepperstone for Tradingview, so you need to do that. And then after that, what we need to do is click on approve access. Then right now he is saying login wording, trade data can be shown incorrectly. All right, that is fine. And right now we are here in with our account. But what if it wasn't that quick? Then we go right here to Pepperstone, go to the Pepperstone website, and then make sure that you log in with your own account. And then you need to all your trading accounts. So we will do this real quick right now. So he's logging in, go to trading accounts, and then click on add trading account. And then right here, make sure that you create a Tradingview account right here. Then select here the currency, select here the nickname, and select Racer, and then do Sumbit. Because you need a trading account from Tradingview, otherwise it's not possible. So make sure that you create one of those accounts right here in your Pepperstone account, and then after that you can go back and log in and do exactly what I did, and then it works. So this is how you can connect Pepperstone on Tradingview. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.